Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate Public Provident Fund, means PPF. Okay, so here you will see I have created this table. Here this is the year, so I will calculate interest earning plus end of the year balance for 14 years. And here you will see this is yearly deposit. As you know, you cannot deposit more than 150 first year. And here you will see this is the rate of interest. This is interest earning. Here you will see the interest earning. Here end of the balance. Okay, so how to calculate it? So first you have to just equals to click yearly deposit into this rate of interest. Okay, so this is the interest earning in first year. Okay, now we will find end of the year balance equals to yearly deposit plus interest. So this will be the end of the year balance. Now we will find out the second year interest earning equals to bracket this plus end of the year balance plus this is yearly deposit into 8 into 7.10. Okay, now click on OK. So this will be the yearly interest earning of second year equals to then here end of the year balance bracket plus this plus this. So this will be the second year end of the year balance. Now we will calculate. Just copy the formula to the bottom. Okay, so this will be the amount 3648,516. Okay, 36,48,514 rupees will be the interest and end of the balance amount after 14 years. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.